additional dose. So there may be a mild increase in those who are hospitalized and die based on these booster doses. Really, if you want to have an impact on this pandemic, get those 62.5 million people vaccinated. Use whatever incentives that are available to make that happen.
And that is a perfect segue to Nicki Minaj.
Oh, boy.
And so, Doctor, I'm sure that you look forward to talking about this because Nicki Minaj, famous rapper, she has 22 million or something followers on social media, and she has a cousin in Trinidad who has a friend who she says got the vaccine and got a side effect so delicate that the cousin's friend's fiance had to cancel their wedding. Okay, so she put this out to all of her followers, and but part of this is that anybody who has anything happen in the 2 weeks after they get a vaccine thinks, aha, it was the vaccine. They immediately in their minds connect it. But the problem is that then good health officials like yourself and the health minister of Trinidad have to chase this down. So here's what he had to say.
As far as we know, at this point in time, there has been no such reported either side effect or adverse event. And what was sad about this is that it wasted our time yesterday trying to track down, because we take all these claims seriously.
So he says he had to waste time to do a fact check on this. Your thoughts?
So this is exactly how misinformation and disinformation spreads through social media out into our communities. And it's understandable that, people, two events happen and people try to connect them in time. So I have a friend who got married 2 weeks after he got vaccinated. Was his marriage due to his vaccination?
Maybe. Maybe. We'll never know.
Maybe. We'll never know. So, but however, in this case, I think we really need to worry about whether or not she was being disingenuous, because we heard from the minister who said they can't find this individual who apparently had this side effect, recognizing that there's no side effects on fertility in women and men. So let's just say that. Over 5 billion doses given. We've had lots of data to address that question. And she personally has not been vaccinated because she's waiting to do the research on whether vaccines work. So I'm saying, 5 to 7 years to get a PhD in immunology. And then at that point, she'll know whether or not she should get vaccinated based on what the experts say.
Yeah, when you do the research, we should come to doctors like yourself as well. But I don't know that this cousin's friend wants to be found based on the side effect that's mentioned in the tweet.
You make a good point.
I don't know if you'd come out and do a TV interview, but maybe.
You make a good point. Dr. Khan, thank you.
Always a pleasure. And remember, get vaccinated and mask on. This seemed appropriate for today.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
Oh.
Looney Tunes.
Oh, okay. All right.
Thank you, Dr. Khan. Great to see you.
They're always so big.
Cheers.
Thanks, doctor.